Welcome to this session. In this session, we'll try to cover what is an ERP and how does an ERP system works. Let's start off with the definition of an ERP. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. It's a software that helps businesses manage their daily activities. For example, accounting, sales, their recruiting process, the HR process, and many more. And all of this in one place. It makes it easier for the different departments to kind of work together, share information, and thus making the business run more efficiently and smoothly. Let's try to understand the inner workings of ERP software now. If we were to break down an ERP software, it typically has three layers: a presentation layer, application layer, and a database layer. Now these three different layers, they work together like a machine working with different parts to function properly. Let's have a look at the first layer. So we have the presentation layer, which is what you as a user see and interact with. It can be a website, a portal, a smartphone app, for example, a shopping app on your phone where you browse the product and you can order the product. Next is the application layer, or as it's sometimes also called a logical layer. This acts as an engine that kind of processes information and makes the decision. All your business logic, everything sits there. You can think of it as a brain of the software. For example, if you place an order via the shopping app, now this layer calculates the total cost, checks the inventory, very much like a brain. Finally, we have the database layer. Now this layer, it stores all the information in one place. This information can be tables, it can be customer records, employee records, etc. These three layers, they work together and interact with each other to function properly. So we covered what's an ERP, what are the different components that makes up an ERP system. In the next session, we'll talk about S4HANA. See you in the next one.